One's here. This one. Look exactly the same like the other ones. And we can't go anywhere. Except for the basement. This is the elevators of the Fairfield. Nathan left already, so it's just me. No one called it. Yeah, you can't go anywhere. I live in the roof. Oh. Let's see how far we go. Good, we're going to 1. I thought that's just an up button. Just rang. We'll get the cab while I wait. It's a nice elevator. It's just like the one. Go back down to the basement. There we go. See how far are we going? No, just 1. Let's see if we can get people on now. Or maybe it just parks here. Oh, here we go. Oh, what? Only 4? You're welcome. Basement or 1? 1. There you go. Going up? Welcome.
You know what you're doing.
Oh my god, this one's... There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Good day.
Alright, let's finish our journey up to 32. Maybe we'll bring a different one. This one's not good. This one's vibrating a lot. These are weird. Okay, we'll send you down. That didn't work. That up button doesn't work. This literally looks the exact same as the other hotel. This is the Fairfield in its suite. It's right next to the 4 Points. Sounds like one's coming. Sounds like this one. Yeah, it's... I don't know who modernized these. This might be Liberty. Sounds like one's here. There we go. Oh, the up button does work. Oh, a different button here. I got the 3 buttons just like mismatched buttons. Something's hitting the door. Oh. Man, I love fast elevators. And that's the same button I saw at Target today. Okay. It's a nicer elevator lobby. There it goes. And that's it.